Hi guys, so ito yung nangyari sa aking araw. Pauwi na ako nito galing sa Antipolo dahil ako ay nag-apply para sa scholarship. Nung pagka-uwi ko, pumasok agad ako sa bahay at dumiretso ako sa CR para maligo. Sobrang tirik din kasi kanina ng araw at sobrang init kaya naisipan ko agad na maligo pagka uwi ng bahay. Dito naman ay agad ako nag-ayos, nagsuklay ako at nag-cologne ako dahil ayun lagi kong ginagawa tuwing gabi. Pagkatapos nun, mahiga na ako sa kama at magsascroll na ako sa TikTok, IG or manonood sa YouTube. At yun lang para sa araw na to. Salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye!
Ginawa ko na lang naman most of the days, like mag-go then gumawa ng game namin for our RPP and naman like yan. Sumasakit na ulo ko and matulog na ako. And yun, naantok na talaga ako and magkakaibos na ako. It's like 12 AM na ngayon and naman. Bye!
I woke up at 11 a.m. since I slept late last night. I'm still sleepy but I have to wake up in order to start a good day. At 12 p.m., right after I shower and eat my breakfast, I folded my blanket and arranged my bed. At 2 p.m., since I don't have nothing to do, I cleaned my room instead. 1 hour have passed and it's 3 p.m. I finished my LA in Philo. I started playing with my cat to relax and rest. To lessen the learning activities, at 4 p.m., I started doing my LA in Prog 2 so that I have only few LAs to do later. I managed to finish my Prog 2 and marketing in 2 hours. I finished at 6 p.m. and I watch TV to relax. Since it's already my free time and I have nothing to do, I've done my LAs. It's time for me to chill and play online game. At 7:30 p.m., I finished my dinner and few minutes later, I already head to bed to finish the day.
So guys, the first thing I did today was jog with my friends because I really missed them. We look so healthy, right? But after that, I went home and ate my lunch. Just some instant noodles and some toppings, so unhealthy. Then I took a cold bath, which was really refreshing. I did my makeup after because I love looking cute and I do it for myself. So cute. I used Pink Flesh mascara because it's good. Yeah. Then I took some notes and worked on my activities. Syempre, hindi lang puro ganda, okay? That masipag din. Later, I went to a cafe with my family dyan lang sa Antipolo and their caramel macchiato is a must try. That's all guys. Bye!
So here guys, kakagising ko lang. Bangon ka na ate. Tas ayun, ginulo ko lang yung pusa ko. That's Oreo. Girly Pop, syempre. Tas here, kakatapos ko lang maligo and then syempre, skincare muna ate kasi gusto natin maging fresh and everything. And ito, nagkakram ako ng CLE. Nagbihis din kasi ba't maglo-long sleeve? Ang init ate, di ba? Ba't hindi ka maglo-long sleeve? Ayan, so tapos ko na ang isang subject. Nakaraos din. And nagbasa lang ako ng favorite ko na book. Here, nag-aayos lang ako kasi kailangan ko pumanta saglit sa labas and buy materials para bukas and ano ko rin, mga kailangan ko sa school kasi ubos na talaga. Paghirap na ako. Yung nag-ayos lang din ako ng buhok and naglagay ng perfume para ready to go na talaga. Here, I'm with my boyfriend and kasama namin yung friend ko na nakasalubong namin. Dapat bibili lang ng school supplies pero ayun, napa-grocery shopping kami. Hihi. Nakauwi na ako here and ginawa ko lang naman yung coding, yung programming na CLA ko and ayun lang. Thank you so much guys. Medyo stress pa dyan. Bye!
Hi guys! Ito yung una kong ginawa nung umaga. Manood muna ng strawberry shortcake bake for gumawa ng CLA para hindi masyadong ma-stress din sa mga gagawin. Ayun, chillin lang. So ayun, after ko manood, nag-crave ako sa takoyaki. So pumunta ako sa bilihan ng takoyaki. Then bumili ako ng lemonade and 10 pieces na takoyaki. Then sabay uwi agad. And mga hapon, pumunta kami sa Alphamart para bumili ng malaking ice cream. Tapos nagbayad agad para makauwi na din. And last, pagkakain sana ako ng ubas kasi natapon yung tubig sa sahig kaya hindi na lang.
Nakakatakot po. Yung heart